time has come again to dye another wig. I'm gonna be using Good Dye Young. They reached out to me and they're like, hey, you wanna color some hair? And I'm like, is it okay if I do it on a wig? I'm guessing they're okay with it because they also sent this lightning kit. So I'm thinking most of it is gonna be all in this together. I don't wanna be all biz. It's just gonna be a little biz here and there. How quickly they wash out, I'm guessing depends on water temperature, hair type, how long you leave it in. But from what I read in the reviews, they do wash out. This one will not be washing out. This will be stripping hair color, some of this hair color from this wig. I don't want hair bleach on my hair. I don't want to damage this either. My tools, brush, gloves, and maybe some hair sheets. As a 41-year-old woman, I absolutely know what's super trendy right now. So I went online and looked at some looks, and I really have no idea what to do. So let's begin. I guess I should brush it first. It's real healthy hair. I normally start with the bottom, the backside, and then I kind of work my way up and try to create this like ombre effect that you can't see anymore. But I'm thinking, start at the top, bleaching here, and then like bleach it on the bottom. Not sure how far this will go, but I'm gonna try to use up the whole thing. This is all business right here. I'm gonna have to try to strip as much color as I can out of this to get the full effect. But with all in this together, I think all of this, just the way it is, will work together with this. Oh, they did include gloves, but I prefer my own gloves. There's a 25 volume developer and the powder mix. Oh yeah, hair clips. So there's one section. Here's my other really well done section. If I have enough bleach, I'm gonna take out some random sections, but for now, I'm just gonna go with everything I have pulled out. Give it 30 minutes. It says max 30 minutes, but it probably took me that long to put it on there. So I'm just gonna wait another 30 minutes. Ooh, it did a pretty good job after 30 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead, wash this out, dry the hair, and apply the color. I just did a little bit of a trim. So the bright orange color, I don't know if it's really gonna turn out. I mean, I think it will right here. A lot of the hair, I wasn't able to pull the color out as much as I hoped. Don't know if I'm gonna do orange anywhere else in there, probably not. But I think because of all the different colors and other highlights going on in here, I'm gonna get a lot of variation with that darker color. And whenever I work with any sort of hair dye, I double up on the gloves because I've had them rip before. And I ended up with Cheeto hands last time I did orange. I thought, you know, once you put on the gloves, you're good to go. But apparently, even if you don't rip them, the hair dye can seep through. Now, I don't know about this hair dye because I've never used this one, but just to be safe, I'm doubling up. So I learned to replace them every hour if it takes more than an hour, but I'm really hoping it doesn't. I'm just gonna squeeze it onto the hair from the bottle. It's like it's ready to go, so. Bit of a boo-boo. So apparently when you rinse out a lot of really dark dye, it blends with the lighter dye. So this all ended up pink and I really wanted orange. So I went ahead, it's an old wig. I just re-bleached all of this orange stuff and re-dyed it. There was only like a little bit of orange right here and the rest was pink. So it's still a little wet. I'm gonna blow dry it and then style the hair. I mean, from that to this, maybe it's so healthy looking because the dye made it kind of shinier and smoother and healthier. So when I rinse it out with cold water, I don't use shampoo afterwards, no conditioner afterwards. This is just how it came out with nothing but water. And now I'll never wash it again. Never fade. No, I'm never gonna wash it. If I don't wash it, it'll stain. Oh, that is just, I can't. can't stop. It's so much fun. This is so much fun. It would look a lot more fun probably with heavier makeup and some lipstick, but I don't like heavy makeup and lipstick. I didn't even put that much effort into it. I mean, it's still a lot of effort, but not as much effort as I normally do, because this hair dye just kind of, it globs on really nicely, and look at the coverage. So the back, that's one full bottle. You probably want to see it from the back. The back's not as exciting as the front, but I didn't plan it that way. And like, imagine if this wasn't a wig and you did this. It's a wig, so it's not gonna look very good. But if I put it into a ponytail, like all of this, it would look so pretty all the way around. And best of all, this is cruelty-free, so it was not tested on animals. That's something a lot of you in the past have wanted me to switch to. Here it is. It's available on Amazon, and I will have links down below in the video's description. So that's it. That's it. I'm gonna go take some pictures of myself. I have to do that every time I have fresh new hair color so that I can have it forever. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe. Oh, and my previous videos, I don't think I'm gonna be doing those again. I think my days of cathood are over. I think I'm a lot better at dyeing hair than I am at being a cat, so. Bye.